Hello, it's Jeanette J Beauty and welcome to my channel. Now I know for some of you, you may be reading the title and thinking, Diva Curl? Jeanette, I thought you weren't using Diva Curl anymore, you got rid of it. I did a whole detox and declutter of my natural hair products that were on my bookshelf, and I did have a small section of Diva Curl products that I got rid of, and I'll admit, it was just so easy to get rid of those products because I had the wave maker and my hair is not wavy, it's very curly, thick, and I need products that are nice and thick and creamy and that are really gonna moisturize my hair like I needed to, and the wave maker did my hair no justice. The deep sea hair mask and that deep conditioner, it was not thick enough for my hair. It just sat on top of my hair. I didn't like it. Also some sprays, and it just was not good for my hair. So I kept it to the wayside thinking I can add it and just mix it, and I was just hopeful that I can use it maybe later in the future. That's why it was there. With the help of the Think Dirty app and also the EWG app, I did eliminate a lot of products, and also I got rid of products that I was not using anymore or I just knew weren't gonna work in my hair. I got rid of a lot of products. And recently Diva Curl did reach out to me to send me some of their products, and I was like, I did like the results that I got when I used some of their good products and that were better for my type of hair. So I was thinking, should I use it? So I went back to the Think Dirty app, and it still has many of the Diva Curl products listed as an 8. Not all of them, but a lot of them are a number 8. It's because of the ingredients. They have a ranking scale from 0 to 10, and 10 being like the worst ingredients that you can use. So Diva Curl does have some good ingredients, as you can see in the green. So green is good, it's safe. Yellow is like okay, and then the red is like, you know, don't really use it. And the two ingredients that were in the red are fragrance, which can be controversial. Also the diazolinol urea, and they have that as an 8, so automatically the whole product is an 8. So I went to the EWG website and I typed in the diazolinol urea, and it has it at a 6, which is around my safe haven number. So I thought that it's okay. I mean, they have it listed as a moderate, which is safe with me, and I just feel that I did merit good results with the product, so I'm gonna use it again. I'm gonna do a full wash day because they gave me enough products to do a full wash day and style. Jumping straight into the shower with week-old hair, I'm just going to saturate my hair well with warm water, and the first product that I'm going to be using is the Wash Day Wonder Pre-Cleanse Slip Detangler, and this is supposed to melt away all the tangles, and it has proxy oil and saffron flower extract that's supposed to help give the curls slip and a nice soft feel. So it's supposed to help prevent shedding and breakage. My initial thought on this detangler was pretty good. It had a fair amount of slip, and also I was able to glide my fingers through my hair quite easily as normal, and also my curls were definitely defined. Typically on wash days while I'm shampooing my hair, there's little to no shedding in my hair because my hair is very strong and resilient. But this wash day, as I was running the detangler through my hair, I noticed that a lot of my hair was shedding, and I put it off thinking that it was a postpartum hair loss, and also I'm dealing with a lot of stress at the moment, so I just kept going. And here's an example of some of the hair that did come out from this quadrant. There was more. I ended up washing my hair a couple days later, and I used my favorite shampoo. I just wanted to see if I'm experiencing postpartum hair loss or if my hair is shedding due to stress. So I ran my fingers vigorously through my hair, through the quadrant, and let me tell you, only 2 strands of hair came out, which is normal for me, and I'm used to that. This is what I'm used to. I'm not used to seeing a lot of my hair shed on wash day at all. The amount of shed hair that you just saw in my hands coming from that one quadrant of hair is actually more shed hair than a full wash day. I do have a wash day dedicated to postpartum hair loss from once I experienced it with my 3rd son, and let me tell you, it is no fun. Continuing wash day, I cleansed my hair with a no poo, and it felt like I was rubbing conditioner on my hair and on my scalp. I'm used to that lather and really working the shampoo in my hair and just getting that suds. Even from my favorite shampoo, it doesn't strip my hair. But Diva Curl believes the sudsing, it can strip the natural moisture of your hair, which is why their shampoo is like that. My hair, it didn't feel so clean, but it didn't feel like there was product buildup. It just felt like I ran conditioner through my hair, so it did feel like it was moisturized. rinsing the no poo out, I did apply the One Condition, which is their conditioner. I did have to run my hair under the water a few times just to get the desired slip that I love. But with DEVA Curl products, all their products you have to put in with soaking wet hair. I find that the products work best when your hair is dripping wet. And honestly, it felt like I was applying the no poo to my hair again. And after rinsing the One Condition out, my hair feels pretty good and soft. I'm going to be applying the Heaven and Hair Deep Conditioner, and from what I remember, I did like this deep conditioner. I do remember that I like the Melt Into Moisture Deep Conditioner a lot better. This deep conditioner is thick, but it's not dense, and that's why I like the Melt Into Moisture Deep Conditioner, because it was a lot more dense. I did apply a good amount of this deep conditioner in my hair, but it wasn't penetrating my hair shaft like I wanted it to, so I did have to put my hair under the water again. But once I did that, the deep conditioner is just glide through my hair like butter. And once all 4 sections of hair had the deep conditioner in it, I let it sit while I take my shower for about 15 minutes. Taking the butterfly clips out, here's how my hair looks, and my hair feels very soft. After rinsing the deep conditioner out, my hair still feels soft and moisturized, so I'm ready to style my hair. Taking my cotton t-shirt off, my hair still felt pretty good. It felt soft, it felt like there was moisture in it. My hair didn't feel dry at all. I separated my hair into quadrants as I always do, and just to add some more moisture in my hair, I'm going to spray this quadrant with just water. My first product was the leave-in conditioner, and I like to layer my products on. I feel like this merits the best results. The leave-in conditioner felt pretty good. I do wish it was just a little bit heavier. Next, I divided my hair into half so I could better style it. Next, I used the Super Cream, which is their coconut curl styler. So this is supposed to define your curls with a cream consistency. And I was just seeing how long my hair is in the back. As I've already mentioned, some of this hair does not have any blonde ends. And I did apply a little bit more of the Super Cream just to help to define my curls a little better. And it wasn't working so well, so I did apply more water. I know with the DEVA Curl products, you have to apply them when your hair is really wet. So I applied a lot more water, and this seemed to do a little bit better. I divided that section in half and applied the Ultra Defining Gel. Now this is really supposed to define your curls and have them looking their best. So I really wanted my curls to pop, so I applied a quarter amount at first, and I was just smoothing it into my hair. And of course, I really want my curls to be nice and defined for my wash and go. So I did use my Denman brush, but it seemed that using the Denman brush, it was combing the curls out. So I put some more of the gel back into my hair, and also I smoothed the Denman brush on my hair again. I really wanted my curls to be nice and defined, but it seemed that every time I used the Denman brush, my curls would just separate and my curls were not defined. So I just figured not using the Denman brush would be the best thing to do. As I've already mentioned, the DEVA Curl products do work well on soaking wet hair, so I had my mister right there next to me, and also I had to bring my towel because my hair was soaking wet. I applied water throughout each section of hair. I applied the cream, also the gel in my hair on soaking wet hair. And I continue this process on the rest of my hair. I wanted my hair to be nice and defined, especially in the front, so I would take smaller pieces of hair and run it through my fingers and twirl my hair, but it seemed that when I did this, some of the hair just got frizzy and the product wasn't taking into my hair. I did put more gel and more water into my hair, hoping for the best, and also I scrunched my hair for that definition. And here's how my hair looked before I let it air dry. 7 hours later, and it is now 1 a.m. Here's how my hair looks. I see some of the residue sitting on top of my hair. I didn't go out anywhere and I didn't have anywhere to go the next day, so I was just letting my hair air dry while I was at home. I did notice that some of my hair had completely dried, but some of the hair was still a little bit wet. I also noticed that there was a lot of shrinkage to my hair, and I wasn't a big fan of that. My hair, it just looked dry. It didn't look nice and moisturized how I wanted it to. Some of my curls were defined, but there was a lot of frizz, and also I noticed a lot of white particles sitting on top of my hair, so it didn't actually take into my hair strands. As I've already mentioned, there was a lot of shrinkage. My hair was dry, especially in the back. I was just not a fan. So moving on to the next day, my hair, especially the ends, were really dry, and I was just really upset and disappointed. I wasted a wash day. As I've already mentioned, some of my hair was defined, as you can see here, but for the most part, my hair was not defined. I did end up washing my hair a couple days later, as you already saw when I shampooed my hair, so you already know a video is coming for you soon. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye!